Hey guys, how we doing today? I'm actually not doing anything with the smoker today or cooking. I'm actually just gonna have a couple beers, but I don't have a bottle opener, so I found the best tool I could find in the garage. We're gonna see if we can open a beer bottle with a chainsaw. I've actually done this before, so it works. So hopefully we can do a little demonstration. I was gonna do this video with my buddy Tom, but he's got like 18 kids and 0 time. So I figured I'm just gonna do it myself. So let's get to it, man. Hey guys, as you can see, I put a tarp down here because my son walks out here all the time barefoot. So I don't want, in case I do break the glass, I don't want him to get cut. Anyway, let's get to it, man. Beer 1. All right, guys, we're going for beer 3, man.